let's talk about a vital component of the system called Revive. I like to tell people you can't have a polish system that air dries in 5 minutes and not expect it to get thick. Dazzle Dry polish and top coat will get thick, period. And Revive is your best friend and a vital component of the system. It's not a typical thinner, so do not fear it. Adding Revive will not change the color or impact the efficacy of the products like other thinners do. With routine use of Revive as needed in your polish and top coat, you will be able to use the products to the last drop to maximize your investment. So, Silva, how often do I add Revive? Let me explain. First of all, you have to be the judge of when to add Revive. Once the polish is thick, no longer fluid or smooth, that's your indication that it's time to add Revive. When your top coat gets thick or forms air bubbles, these are your indications that you need to add Revive. There's no limit to the number of times you will need to add Revive to the polishes or the top coat. The base coat will never need Revive. In fact, if you accidentally add Revive to the base coat, it must be discarded. Let me show you how to add Revive to your polish. Fill the dropper. You're going to add about 6 to 8 drops at a time. Shake it well. Think of it like cooking with salt. Start with less and you can always add more if needed until that desired viscosity is achieved. And this is the fluid drip you're looking for. See? That's what you want it to look like when you add Revive. Same with the top coat. You're going to start with 6 to 8 drops of Revive at a time. Instead of shaking the top coat, you're going to roll it in one direction to avoid air bubbles. So remember, you shake your polish and roll your top coat after adding Revive. Now let's talk about Transform. This superhero product is sure to become a staple in your Dazzle Dry manicure. Transform will smooth out ridges and other nail imperfections. It creates this beautiful gel-like surface. It neutralizes the color of your nail bed to make any Dazzle Dry color just pop. Consider yourself warned. You will get addicted to the flawless appearance of your manicure with the use of Transform. The preparation is the same, whether you use Transform or not. Saturate 1 lint-free cotton pad per hand with nail prep, scrubbing each nail thoroughly. Then apply 2 layers of base, allowing each layer to dry matte. Now apply 1 layer of Transform and allow it to dry for 5 minutes. Once that is dry, apply 1 layer of base over Transform to allow it to dry matte. Now apply 2 layers of polish, allowing each layer to dry matte. And finally, apply 1 layer of top coat and allow it to dry for 5 minutes.